I bought these online. This is supposed to be a deterrent for carpenter bees. I had read where you could put up a paper bag, but it had to look a certain way and shape a certain way. And then I looked up and they sell these. I think I got a 6-pack here for, I don't know, 16 bucks, about $4 a piece. And I kind of want to put one up in the garage. That way maybe it'll deter the bees from messing around in my garage. I'm going to take one of these and sit these other ones up top here out of the way for later. Yeah, I want to open one of these up and see what's in here. I have a feeling this plastic is going to get away from me in the wind. What is this? Is that string? Alright, it has instructions that are too tiny to read. I don't know if you guys can read that. But it's got pictures. I like pictures. I'm good with pictures. It says, expand. Okay, I can expand. Use your fingers and just, ooh, look at that. Look at that, like a giant avocado. Wow, okay. Then it says to put the thing in the thing. So, which direction does it matter? The hangy thing goes towards this end. Alright, so if I put this in here, how does it hook? I don't know that shows me how that's supposed to hook. Can you tell how that's supposed to hook? Or does it just lay in here? I can't tell. Let me pause this and look at it further. Alright, I figured it out. I've done used my brain for something. Check it out. Let me get it to not fall off the table here. It wants to fall off the table. Stop it. I'm going to sit you guys up a little bit and show you the inner workings of this here contraption. So that little thing fits inside of there like that. And the little posts from the little thing that you got fit on either one of these little... They fit up right inside of those little hooks right there. You just push them down, and the tension, you push it further and make this expand, and the tension from the top part connects there. Then all you got to do is hang this part. You got to hang the little hangy part up like that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hang that somewhere in here so that if a bee comes in here, they'll go, oh no, it's a horny nest, and they'll take off. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to hang it right, probably, where do you think? In the center, on the side? I think maybe the center. I don't know. Let me think about it. What do you think about that? That way if you were a hornet or not a hornet, but a dirt dauber or a whatever, carpenter bee, and you're like, I wonder if I can come in here, and you see that, maybe you go, oh no, not the horny nets, and then they take off. What do you think? You think that'll work? I think that'll work. I sit out here a lot and I do woodworking stuff with my cedar wood, and I see them. They'll come right here and they'll just be buzz, buzz, buzz all around my door here, and I don't like that because then they come in here, and once in a while they'll come in here and bounce off the windows for a while and bounce off my TV and make me crazy. I think that right there may do the trick. Yeah, we're gonna call that done. Good job. We'll see if it works now.